Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to review Lindo AI, and it's an AI site builder that lets you create white-labeled websites for your clients with just a few clicks. Lindo AI uses artificial intelligence to analyze your client's brand, industry, and preferences, and then generates a fully customized website that matches their needs and vision. You can choose from hundreds of templates or let Lindo AI create one from scratch. You can also edit and tweak any element of the website such as the layout, colors, fonts, images, and content using a simple drag and drop interface. Lindo AI also optimizes your website for SEO, speed, and mobile devices so you can deliver a high quality product that impresses your clients and boosts their online presence. But wait, there is more. Lindo AI also lets you create unlimited websites for unlimited clients and host them on your own domain. That means you can charge your clients whatever you want and keep 100% of the profits. You can also manage all your websites from one dashboard and easily update them with new features and content. Lindo AI is the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to start or grow their web design business without spending hours or hundreds of dollars on coding and hosting. Now you might be wondering, how much does Lindo AI cost? Well, here is the best part. Lindo AI is currently offering a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which means you can get access to this amazing product for a one-time payment of only $49. Yes, you heard me right. Only $49 for lifetime access to Lindo AI. That's a steal. Considering that you can make that money back with just one client. Also, it has 5 licensed tier. You can check all the features and go with any tier as per your requirements. Now I will show you the demo of Lindo AI. So this is the dashboard of Lindo AI. First, let me show you the main menu of Lindo AI, where you can access all the features and settings of Lindo AI. On the top left corner, you can see the websites tab, where you can view all the websites you have created with Lindo AI or create a new one. Okay. Then you can see the account tab, where you can manage your billing information and your profile. Next to the account tab, you can see the help tab, where you can find various resources to help you use Lindo AI effectively. You can access the help center, where you can find FAQs, tutorials, and guides. You can also join the Lindo community, where you can interact with other users, share your feedback, and get tips and tricks. Okay. If you need more support, then you can click on the Get Support button, where you can chat with the Lindo AI team or submit a ticket. You can also hire an expert who can help you create or improve your website with Lindo AI. Now let's move on to the main feature of Lindo AI, which is creating your website with AI. To do that, you just need to click on this All Websites, then click on Create Your Website with AI. Also, you can click on this Create New Website button. Okay, then you will be taken to this page. Here you need to enter your business name, which will be used as the title and logo of your website. You also need to choose a subdomain, which will be the URL of your website. You can use your own domain name or use a free lindoai.com domain. Once you enter these details, you can click on the Create button. Then you will be taken to this page. Here you need to select an AI-powered template to start creating your website with Lindo AI. You can choose from 11 different templates, each designed for a specific purpose and industry. Okay, each template comes with pre-made pages, content, and design elements that you can customize to fit your needs. You can also preview each template before selecting it. So this is the starter template. This template is best for quick online presence. It has a simple and elegant design with a single page that showcases your brand, services, and contact details. Next is online business. This template is best for SaaS, online services, or any businesses that offers a digital solution. It has a professional and modern design with multiple pages that highlight your features, benefits, pricing, testimonials, and more. Then digital product template. This template is best for ebooks, online courses, or any product that can be downloaded or accessed online. It has a sleek and minimalist design with multiple pages that showcases your product, features, reviews, and more. Next is local business. This template is best for local services, shops, or any businesses that operates in a specific location. It has a friendly and intuitive design with multiple pages that display your services, location, opening hours, and more. The next template, pre-sale. This template is best for product pre-launch or any product that is not yet available but has a waiting list. It has a catchy and attractive design with a single page that builds hype and excitement for your product and collects email addresses from interested customers. Okay, then music and podcast. This template is best for music, podcast, or any audio related content. It has a vibrant and creative design with multiple pages that showcases your music, episodes, playlist, and more. Then this e-commerce template is best for online store or any businesses that sells physical or digital products online. It has a clean and elegant design with multiple pages that display your products, categories, cart, checkout, and more. This early access template is best for exclusive launches or any product that is only available for a limited time or a limited number of customers. It has a bold and enticing design with a single page that creates a sense of urgency and exclusivity for your product and collects email addresses from potential customers. Then this booking template is best for appointment system or any businesses that requires customers to book a service or a time slot. It has a simple and functional design with a single page that allows customers to choose a service, a date, and a time and confirm their booking. Next is event. This template is best for event promotion or any event that requires registration or ticket purchase. It has a colorful and festive design with multiple pages that display your event details, agenda, speakers, sponsors, and more. Next is start from scratch. This template is best for building your pages yourself or if you want to have full control over every aspect of your website. It has a blank design with no pre-made pages, content, or design elements. You can add and customize any element you want using the drag and drop interface. Okay, if none of the templates suit your needs, you can also request a new template by clicking on the request new template button. You can then fill out a form where you can specify your website name, industry, purpose, and style. Lindo AI will then create a new template for you based on your request. For this demo, I will choose this digital product template. Then you will be taken to this page. Here you need to enter your product or service name. This is the name of your product or service which will be used as the title and logo of your website. For example, digital reviewers. Then product or service description. This is the brief description of your product or service which will be used as the headline and summary of your website. You can use the example provided or write your own. Then language. This is the language of your website which will be used to generate the content and design elements of your website. You can choose from various languages such as English, Spanish, French, etc. For example, English. Okay. Once you enter these details, you can click on the create button and Copilot will create your website in less than 2 minutes. Copilot will use artificial intelligence to analyze your data and create a fully customized website that matches your product or service name, description, and language. You can then edit and tweak any aspect of your website such as the layout, colors, fonts, images, and content using a simple drag and drop interface. Copilot also customizes your website for SEO, speed, and mobile devices so you can deliver a high quality product that impresses your customers and boost their online presence. Okay, then you will be taken to this page. From here, you can manage the pages of your website with Lindo AI. You can see a list of all the pages it has created along with their names, URLs, types, and status. You can also add new pages by clicking on the Add Pages button. You can then choose from various templates or start from scratch. You can also edit, delete, duplicate, or preview any page by clicking on this icon next to each page. So let's click on this home page. Here you can see the preview of your website. To edit the website, you just need to click on this preview mode and the editor will be opened. From here, you can edit the home page of your website with Lindo AI. You can also see 6 options on the top right corner. So we are in the design tab. This option lets you change the appearance and layout of your page, such as the colors, fonts, images, and elements. You can use the drag and drop interface to customize your page as you wish. For example, if you want to change this layout, just click on this change layout button, and from here you can change the layout. Okay, then if you want to change this headline, just click on it and you can write anything by yourself Or if you don't want to write by yourself, you can click here and it will give you suggestions. For example, you can regenerate this headline, or you can fix the grammar, or you can shorten the headline. Also, you can expand the headline, okay? Or if you want something else, you can explain that here, okay? Also, you can change this image. To do that, click on this image. You can see you can search any image from pixels, unsplash and more. Also, if you click on this my assets, you can upload your own images, okay? Also, you can add a new block by clicking on this add block button and choose the block you want. And once you are done with your customization, you can click on this save button to save your editing, and click on this publish to make it live and accessible to your customers. Then click on this settings. From here, you can change the settings and metadata of your page, such as the title, description, favicon and more. Then analytics. This option lets you view the statistics and performance of your page, such as the number of views, clicks, click rate. Also, you can see the visitors and more. Next option is help. This option lets you access the help center, where you can find FAQs, tutorials and guides. You can also chat with the Lindo AI team or submit a ticket. Okay, next is open. This option lets you open your page in a new tab, so you can see how it looks on a different devices and browsers. Then you can preview your page before publishing it, so you can check for any errors or issues. Then if you click on this three dot from here, you can go to any page of your website and customize as you wish. So this was the demo. And if you want to create stunning websites for any clients in minutes without writing any code, then you need to check out Lindo AI right now. And I have a special offer for you. If you use my link in the description box below, you will get an extra 10% off on your purchase. That's right, an extra 10% off on top of the already amazing deal. But you have to act fast, because this offer is only valid for new AppSumo accounts. So go ahead and click the link below and get your lifetime access to Lindo AI today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews of the best tools and software for entrepreneurs and freelancers. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Lindo AI.